Hello, welcome to the Green Club Toy Shed, and today I'm going to make a Barbie sleigh, and I'm going to use three lollipop sticks. They're the 6-inch ones or the 15cm ones. Two little pieces that are 2 inches or just over 5 centimeters. And then what I do is I soak lollipop sticks and then I wait until they're really soft, as you can see, and then I get a little cup like this, and then I'll trim it, and then I'll take the lollipop and I'll mould it into the cup, and then I'll shape it, and then I'll leave it for 24 hours. And I have another little pot full of them that I've done earlier, and then I've taken 3 that look almost the same, so they're almost shaped the same, and they are 2 inches or I think it's 5 centimeters, just over 5 centimeters each of these are. So I'm going to be using a glue gun, so I'm going to stick these together using the glue gun. So there we go. 1, 2, and 3. And because we've got lots of snow at the moment, I thought it'd be quite good to do a little sleigh. And then I'm going to glue these 3 together, and I'm just going to stick them on just under 2 inches. So we'll put that there. And then we have a basic sleigh. And then I have a little piece of ribbon, goofy ribbon, and I'm just going to put a little bit on this bit. And I'm going to stick the other piece, and I'm just going to stick them down. There we go, so we've got something to pull along.